In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate CloudFare in CPanel Siteground. If you've been trying to speed up your site or add an extra layer of security and got a little lost looking for a CloudFlare icon that isn't there anymore, don't worry. Siteground changed things up a bit, and I'm going to walk you through exactly where everything lives now. Let's dive right in. First, a quick heads up that'll save you a lot of searching. Siteground doesn't use the classic cPanel anymore. They moved everyone over to their own control panel called Site Tools a while back. And that's where you'll actually find the CloudFlare options, not under a CloudFlare icon in a traditional cPanel dashboard. So when people say cPanel for Siteground these days, they usually just mean Site Tools. Same idea, different name. Go ahead and log into your Siteground account, then head into Site Tools for the domain you want to set this up on. From here, you've got two paths, depending on how deep you want to go with CloudFlare. Option A, Siteground's built-in CDN. This is the fast, no-fuss option, and it's perfect if you just want the speed and caching benefits without managing a separate CloudFlare account. Inside Site Tools, look for the Speed section in the left-hand menu, then click into CDN. This tab is where Siteground hooks your site up to CloudFlare's content delivery network behind the scenes. Simply click Activate, and within a few moments your site's static content, think images, CSS, JavaScript, starts getting served from Cloudflare's servers closest to your visitors instead of just one location. That's why pages load faster for people no matter where in the world they're browsing from. It's basically the CDN part of Cloudflare, pre-wired for you, with nothing else to configure. Option B, a full Cloudflare account. If you want the complete package, the security firewall, DDoS protection, SSL management, all of it, you'll want to connect your domain directly to an actual Cloudflare account instead. Head over to cloudflare.com and sign up if you don't already have an account. Then click Add a Site and type in your domain. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records automatically, so you don't have to recreate them by hand. Just review the list it pulls in and make sure everything looks right before moving on. After that, pick the free plan unless you know you need more, and Cloudflare will give you 2 name servers to use. Now here's the part that needs a little extra care. You'll take those name servers and update them wherever you originally registered your domain, not inside Siteground. This is your one caution point for today. Name server changes affect your entire domain's routing, so double check you've copied them exactly before saving, since a typo here can knock your site offline for a bit while it sorts itself out. Once you've made the change, it usually takes anywhere from a few minutes up to about 24 hours for it to fully propagate, so don't panic if it's not instant. Once that's done, Cloudflare takes over managing your domain's traffic, and you'll see the status in your Cloudflare dashboard flip to active when everything's connected properly. From there, you're free to turn on things like always use HTTPS, the web application firewall, or Cloudflare's caching rules, all from the Cloudflare side, not Siteground's. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you went with the quick built-in CDN through Site Tools or set up a full Cloudflare account with your own name servers, your site is now getting that extra boost in speed and protection. Thanks for watching, and happy